Home Remedies presents
a self-tested natural remedy for bone health, uric acid and much more. Hi guys, good day to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I'm Rabia and in today's video, I will share with you a self-tested natural cure for bone health, uric acid and much more, which many of my patients are using with good results. So I recommend to watch the video till the end to get full information, and without any more wait, let's start. I always try to share the remedies which don't require much purchase of special ingredients. This remedy is very simple to make and consume, and the ingredients are readily available in everyone's home. The main ingredient of today's recipe is cucumber. Cucumber is good for bones health because of its calcium and vitamin K. Vitamin K is necessary for bone health, and 1 cup of cucumber juice fulfills the daily need of vitamin K. It is a good source of silica, which helps in construction of the connective tissues like bones, ligament, muscles, cartilage, and tendons in our body. The recipe is a mixture of cucumber and carrot juice, which is also beneficial for rheumatic conditions. To make the juice, you will need ingredients: cucumber juice 1 cup, carrot juice 1 cup. How to prepare? For making juice of cucumber and carrot, you have to use a juicer. A big size of a cucumber and 300 grams carrots are sufficient for 1 cup of juices. After blending, strain the juices through cheesecloth completely until no more juice comes out. Now mix both the juices and drink. This controls uric acid and removes inflammation. It is better to take in the morning before breakfast. This is a self-tested natural remedy. Take it twice a week for best results. In case of uric acid inflammation, you can take it daily or alternate days, depend on the condition. You can also store fresh juice in a sealed container inside the refrigerator for 1 week.
If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.